Hey guys, what is going on? This is Tanvirivan. So guys, in this video I will show you how you can update your Huawei P30 or P30 Pro to Android 10 or EMUI 10. So guys, before starting the video, please subscribe to our channel. Also press the bell icon for the notification of recent videos of our channel. So guys, without wasting time, let's get started. So at first you have to check the description box of this video. And you will find a link like this. Open with any browser you have. Link like this. Open it. Press allow or deny and wait for 5 seconds here. After 5 seconds there will be a yellow skip ad button. Click on it and wait here. Now there will be a pop-up. Click on allow, wait for some time and it will redirect you to this page. Scroll down. You can see there is Android 10 and that's for P30 Pro VOG L29. You can see that's all for P30 Pro. You can download it from here, and that's for P30. You can download it from here. I'm showing you one P30 Pro. Download it. Click on this download button. Scroll down. Okay, scroll down and click on this download now button. And click on I'm not a robot reCAPTCHA verification, then click on download. Yeah, you can see it has started downloading, guys. That's a really fast server. You can see you can download P30 update like this. Same process, guys. Click on download now. Redirect you to a new page. Complete the verification reCAPTCHA by Google, then click download. Yeah, started downloading. So guys, you can see both versions are downloading. So guys, what to do after downloading this? You have to install it manually. So how to install it manually, guys? If you do not know how to install it manually, I have already uploaded a video about this subject, how to install Huawei updates manually. So guys, watch the video. The link will be given in the description. Check the description box and watch the video how to install it manually. Click the link and open the link in the same way I have opened the download link. So guys, thanks for watching. If you find it helpful, please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon for more new videos like this. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned with us, guys. We'll be back with a new video.